Hey friends, welcome to Gadget Interflow YouTube channel. We are bring to 5 amazing gadget for your daily life. SwitchBot bot works with almost any rocker, switch or button on any appliance in your house, allowing you to change obsolete gadgets into something more smarter in a matter of seconds. Making your gadgets smarter has never been easier, and it just takes seconds to install. No tools are required to tape your bot to any button or switch. Rocker switches can be switched in both ways utilizing the add-on supplied in our package, allowing you to effortlessly push or pull your on-off switches with just one SwitchBot bot. SwitchBot bot works with a wide range of buttons and switches, including light switches, coffee makers, air conditioners, and even garage doors. Offers multiple control options. SwitchBot app control for iOS and Android allows you to open and close the curtain with the touch of a finger. When providing a small pull, enjoy touch or go. When traveling, check through smartphone and close the blinds remotely to prevent theft. Set the timer to close at night and open by light sensor in the morning for a better night's sleep and a natural sunrise. By minimizing the stress on air conditioning and heating, light sensors assist conserve energy. SwitchBot curtain is compatible with all smart home devices. Get a SwitchBot Hub Mini and use Alexa, Google Home, Siri, and other voice assistants to control your curtains. Create a movie scene on your phone to turn your living room into a movie theater in seconds. Mopping is a chore that no one enjoys. It's a time-consuming duty that's in desperate need of an overhaul, from buckets full of dirty water to unhygienic and nasty mop fibers. Robot mops, thankfully, are come to make your life easier. It's as simple as filling up the tank, pressing the start button, and letting them do their thing. Some of them can be operated with your phone or voice, and some of them can even vacuum for you. We've compiled a list of the best we've tested, as well as some shopping advice, to help you keep your floors gleaming. Introducing Pan and Tilt Camera C6W. It's small, but powerful. Even with 4x auto zoom, the security Wi-Fi camera C6W takes movies in 2K resolution, rendering sharp details. The indoor Pan and Tilt camera's 360-degree field of view offers complete coverage. The smart indoor camera's auto zoom tracking feature allows it to automatically zoom in up to 4 times to track a moving item. Smart human detection only detects human-shaped movements, resulting in more accurate and effective detection and fewer false alarms. It intelligently shifts between day and night with 2 strong infrared LEDs, capturing movements night and delivering clear images and recordings. ChargeCard by Aquavolt is a wallet-friendly phone and smart device charger the size of a credit card. It comes with charging cables for both Apple and Android devices. ChargeCard is built with ultra-fast charging technology and is ready to accompany you on your journeys. Built-in charging cables, Apple, Android, micro USB, 1.5A fast charge. Ultra-thin credit card size charger fits in your wallet. LED power indicator lights. Stainless steel design or fast charge technology, 2300 mAh. HPR TMT-ART00Q 2.0 Portable Wireless Bluetooth Black and White Printer. High compatibility. Not only does the HPR TMT-800 portable printer support iOS and Android mobile phones via Bluetooth, but it's also compatible with Mac and Windows, Linux computers, laptops, and iPads. The mobile printer's built-in 2600 mAh lithium battery allows it to stand by for 26 hours when fully charged and print 70 sheets of glossy US letter paper. Print quality is improved by utilizing premium paper with a glossy surface, as the portable printer uses thermal transfer technology rather than liquid ink.